Good morning students, this is Science, Lesson 12, Weather and Seasons. Children, in this video you will learn about weather, different factors that control weather and the different seasons of our country. Children, first you need to understand that what is weather and what is the difference between weather and season. Children, what is weather? Weather is the condition of air around us. Suppose children, for example, when you get up early in the morning, okay, now when you get out, what you see? Nowadays what you see? You see fog and all, and in the morning it is so cold, and suddenly what happens? After 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock the sun comes out. So this is what? This is weather. In the morning it is cold, and in the daytime what happens? The sun comes out and you start feeling little hot. It is sunny in the afternoon, and again in the evening we start feeling cold. This is what, children? This is weather. Weather is the condition of atmosphere at a given time. And children, what is season? What is season? Season is a long period. Season is a long period of weather. Season is the long period of weather. You can also say the period of months in a year when the weather remains the same. Nowadays winter season is going on and it remains for 3 or 4 months. So it is what? It is season, whereas weather is the condition of the air. At a given time it changes. In the morning the weather will be cloudy, or in the afternoon it will be sunny, and within just after 5 minutes it will start raining. So that is weather, whereas season remains for a time, for a long time, like rainy season, winter season, summer season. Children, have you ever wondered what causes season? Have you ever thought of that? Okay, children, do you know that there are two movements of earth? First one is the rotation and second one is the revolution. Rotation is when the earth moves on its own axis, that is rotation. It causes day and night. But what is revolution? Revolution, children, when the earth moves around the sun. When the earth moves around the sun, that is revolution. And children, revolution and the tilt of the earth on its own axis, both things cause season. Both things cause season. Now children, let us study about the different factors that controls weather. Children, as you know, weather changes in a day many times. It keeps on changing. Morning the weather will be something else like cold. In afternoon it will be sunny. Again in evening it will be cold. In rainy season it changes. Within 5 minutes the weather is changed. So children, what are the factors that change, that controls weather? Okay, just see. First one is wind speed and direction, temperature, air pressure and force, clouds, humidity, visibility, precipitation and sunlight. These are the factors that controls weather. Children, we will study about them one by one in this video. So children, the first factor that controls weather is wind speed and direction. Wind speed and direction affects the weather of a place. Wind that blow from land to sea and sea to land, that is different from one another. Children, wind that blows from land to sea is hotter, and wind that blows from sea to land is cold. And also storm and breeze, they also affect weather. Strong wind is called storm, whereas light and cool wind is called breeze. The second factor that controls weather is temperature. What is temperature? Temperature refers to the hotness and coldness of a thing, of an object. And children, we can measure temperature using a thermometer. The third factor that controls weather is air pressure and force. Air pressure and force in the form of cyclone, typhoon and tornadoes bring sudden and powerful change in the weather. The fourth factor that controls weather is cloud. What are clouds? Clouds are a collection of small water droplets in the atmosphere. Children, you can see clouds in the sky. Clouds present in the sky cover the sun and they make the weather cloudy. And most of the time, children, they are the dark clouds. Dark clouds bring rain. The fifth factor that controls weather is humidity. What is humidity? Humidity is the amount of water that is present in the air. And children, we don't feel comfortable in humid weather. Children, we sweat a lot in hot, humid weather. We don't feel comfortable at all. The sixth factor is visibility. What is visibility? Visibility is the ability to see at a distance. How much you can see, that is called visibility. Now children, moisture in the air sometimes form mist and fog. Presence of fog makes the weather less cold as it traps the heat from the sun. And children, our visibility is also less when there is fog. Children, there is a slight difference between fog and mist. Fog and mist differ by how far you can see. Children, if you cannot see more than 1000 meters, it means it is fog. And if you can see more than 1000 meters, then it is mist. There is a difference between both the things. The seventh factor is precipitation. What is precipitation? Precipitation is the amount of water that falls from the sky, and it falls in different ways. It falls in the form of rain, in the form of snow, in the form of sleet, and also in the form of hail. Children, precipitation makes the temperature low. It brings down the temperature and so we feel cold. And the eighth factor that controls the weather is sunlight. Children, the amount of sunlight that falls from the sky to earth is different at different places and at different times of a day. So children, what does sunlight do? Sunlight heats up the air, land and water, which results in different weather condition. Now children, let us study about season. What is season? As I have told you, when the weather remains the same for a long period of time, it is called season. And we have 5 seasons in our country India, that is winter, spring, summer, monsoon and autumn season. Let us study about them. Winter season. The weather in winter season is very cold and people wear woolen clothes to protect themselves from cold. People light fire at different places that keeps them warm. People also use geysers and room heaters during winters. The season that comes after winter season is spring. And in this season, the weather becomes pleasant. The trees get new leaves and there are flowers and butterflies all over. The next season is summer season. In summer season, the weather is very hot and the sun shines bright. Children, in this season, we don't want to go out. We like to be in our houses only and we use fan, coolers and air conditioners. In this season, we wear light colored cotton clothes because they keep us cool and comfortable. We like to drink juice, cold drinks and ice creams in this season. In this season, people go to hilly areas because the weather on hilly areas is cool. People go there and enjoy the cold weather there. Hot wind called Loo blows during the daytime in summers. Children, we must protect ourselves from Loo. The summer is followed by rainy season and rainy season is also called monsoon season. In most part of our country, it rains during rainy season. There are dark clouds all over in the sky and it rains whole day. The weather remains humid. Plants grow well in rainy season. But children, heavy rain cause flood, which do great damage to the crops and houses. Autumn season. Autumn season comes after the rainy season. In this season, trees shed their old leaves, and this season is also called season of festivals. Now children, let us study the factopedia of this lesson. A satellite takes picture of clouds from space. June 21 is the longest and December 21 is the shortest day of the year. Children, you have to study this also. Now let us have a quick recall of this lesson. Weather is the condition of atmosphere at a given time. A season is a period of months in a year when the type of weather remains more or less same. Weather is controlled by these 8 factors, that is temperature, air pressure and force, wind, clouds, humidity, visibility, precipitation and sunlight. There are 5 seasons in India: winter, spring, summer, monsoon and autumn season. Life skill of this lesson: rainwater can be stored and used in the future. Children, as you know, water is precious. We should never waste water. So, we can also use rainwater. We can store rainwater and we can use them for different work. So, now, children, read the lesson carefully, and in the next video, I'll send you the exercise. Thank you very much.